Hi, congratulations to you all on securing a seat in this program and welcome to the Soft Skills course. Let me introduce myself in a brief. I am Swati Gothaskar. I have 15 plus years of industry experience where I have worked in several MNCs. Since the last 5 years, I am in training and development. I work with ThinkQuotient Software Private Limited and here I head the Soft Skills department. Let me give you an overview of the course. There will be a total of 8 sessions, 2 sessions per week. In the first session, we'll be discussing about skills and its importance. In the second session, the focus will be on group discussion, which will also continue in the third session. Your fourth and the fifth session will comprise of communication skills. Your sixth and seventh session will be on HR preparation, followed by mock interview in your eighth session. Now I will tell you something about the program. Though we all know that to be a good software developer, we need to have good technical skills. But mere technical skills are not enough to crack the interviews. You may be a great technical person, but unless you can present your skills to the interviewer, unless you can convince him why you deserve the job and why you are the best fit for the job, your technical skills won't be of much use. So along with great technical skills, you need to have equally great soft skills to crack interviews. And this is what we are going to learn at ThinkQuotient, and this is what you can expect as an outcome of this program. This is how your first session will look like. We will be covering skills, hard skills, soft skills, importance of soft skills in today's world, and the most in-demand soft skills in 2020. In the second and the third session, the focus will be on group discussion, its meaning, its purpose, what are the different types of group discussions, and tips to crack the group discussion. The fourth and the fifth session will be on communication skills, the communication process, types of communication, barriers in communication, and tips on public speaking and email writing. The sixth and the seventh sessions are the most important sessions of the entire program and is the heart of the soft skills syllabus. Here, the focus will be on HR preparation, interview etiquettes, how to answer HR questions, and finally, tips to crack the HR interview. This is the last session where there will be a practice of mock interview. With this, we will end the soft skills course. In case you have any questions or doubts, you can write to us on the above email ID. Thanks.